The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
But you're still, you know, what's that man? You know where I'm at? If you want to ride something, then I keep the back so the water, and when I'm back the water, you run out of drugs. Never mind me, darling. That's how life goes. JUTC is a slackness. Total slackness. I wonder if my friends say anything else about it. I want you to yeah, we can run out of steam. This is clear. Yes. People look there. What kind of bus them the driver? Some car passenger. And the firm was something like this. Passenger always going to nobody drive by himself. Quick business. What the stuff? See there?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I just presented to you a video that shows a person who is said to be a JUTC bus driver within the country of Jamaica driving a bus with an umbrella over his head while the person is in a bus. That no look good. Well, say transport minister, that no look good. Yeah, transport minister, that no look good. Yeah, it no look good, none at all, yo. It is more than clear to see that the bus is leaking, which is the reason why the bus driver have the umbrella over his head, trying to prevent himself from getting wet. You see me? Water coming in the bus from rainfall outside of the bus. Eh? Slackness. Alright, so anyways, viewers and subscribers, in this video I'm presenting to you videos that show some things that happen in the country of Jamaica. I might not have any information as to when some of these videos have been recorded or when some of these incidents happened. You see what I'm saying to you? But however, these videos shows some things that happened in the country of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also tell me what you think and to also keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. I'm also presenting these videos to you because they are being talked about on social media. Alright, now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show flooding that happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to some of the things that have been said on social media about this video, and according to some of the things that I saw and heard in this video, I get the understanding that it is being said that this video shows a flooding that happened within the place that is known as Crossroad, that is Kingston, Jamaica. Alright? I have no information as to when the video had been recorded. Alright? But I'm going to present the video to you right about now. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Bombard upon Crossroad, underwater, learnings. Outside my bag.
Alright, so there are it, viewers and subscribers. A video that shows flooding that happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica. It had came to my attention that a section of the Washington Boulevard within St. Andrew, Jamaica had sunk or caved in.
On them down drivers at Washington Boulevard. Right, they stop right at Patrick City, so the road sinking and give it.
According to reports, it is said that a section of the Washington Boulevard that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is within the country of Jamaica, had caved in, you see me? And there's also pieces of videos circulating on social media about what had happened at the Washington Boulevard. You see what I'm saying to you? According to reports, it is said that the National Work Agency said that the section of that road caved in because of a defective pipeline. You understand me? And there's a piece of video on social media that shows a person explaining what happened to a truck, you know, because a truck was seen within that area of Washington Boulevard sink somewhere along that road, you know, like sink somewhere along the Washington Boulevard, I should say, you see me?
It's where the tractor is. And there's some new road, clean off or something. So I come up out of, so when you come and realize, remember, pure water missing, water fly up.
And there's more details about this whole thing, you know, viewers and subscribers, but I'm just trying to explain to you as best as I can, you see me?
So you notice when you know the panic would try go up on the sidewalk, come out, and there's some back wheel seat, brother.
And according to reports, it is said that this incident happened on the 14th of October 2020. You see what I'm saying to you?
The man them fix the thing better than that. Trust me, man. Man them fix the thing better than that, man.
Now, throughout social media, many persons are saying that the road was not built properly or never made good in the first place, and all different type of comments have been made, viewers and subscribers. You understand? And you know, some of the things that have been said about the road on social media, viewers and subscribers, I think they might have a point about some of these things, you see me? Yeah, the floodings and so on that have been happening, you know, maybe the drains weren't clean or so on, who knows, you know? Maybe there's something to this whole road and the way how the roads had been made within the Kingston and St. Andrew areas, you see me? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said about this video on social media and according to some things that have been said in this video, it is said that this video shows a truck that sunk in a road somewhere within the place that is known as 3 miles, that is Kingston, Jamaica. You see? Now, I do not have any information when this incident happened, but however, I'm going to present this video to you. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
This the country reach to where the road has sink all boats. 3 miles this is Scotiabank. Avoid that, so you see me?
So viewers and subscribers, these are some of the reasons why persons might be saying that the roads within the country of Jamaica might not have been made properly. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a video with you. Yes, I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers. And according to what has been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video shows what it looks like during a rush hour within the place that is known as Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, Jamaica. I have no information when this video has been recorded, viewers and subscribers. But however, it is said that because of social distance rule, persons are finding a hard time getting transportation to go home. You see me? And you know, some persons are saying that some persons reach home later than the 8 o'clock, you see me, than the 8 o'clock curfew thing that had been mentioned. You understand me? And you know, a lot of things have been said about this very short piece of video. You know, but anyways, I'm presenting this piece of video to you so that you can have a look at it and to also keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on, alright? I'm leaving this video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can let me know what you think about all these pieces of videos that I presented to you in this video, alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.